Forms are used to view your data, change the data in a form, update a form, add new records, delete existing records. But sometimes you only want to add new records, or you only want to do one of the particular things, be able to edit a record or delete a record using a form. For example, almost any time now when you go looking for a new job, people or companies nowadays don't give you a piece of paper to fill out as an application. They tell you to go to the computer and fill out that form. Now, in that form, you don't see all the other people, all the other records. You don't see who else is applying for the job. You just see your data being entered. So those forms are set up for data entry only. You don't see any records. You can't delete any records. You can't edit or update any records. By default, in Access Forms, you can view the data, change the data, delete the data in a form. If you don't want to do that, you have to change the form properties. So I'm currently in a form in Layout View, and I'm on the Design tab of my Format Design Tools ribbon. I open up my property sheet, and what I want to make sure is at the top, I'm changing the property of the form, because this is the form we want to change. I'm going to click on my Data tab, and what I want to do is come down here to Data Entry. So if you notice, right now, Data Entry, it says no. That when we switch this to yes, that means you will not be allowed to edit or delete, okay? So, but by default, it's turned to no because we are allowed additions, we're allowed deletions, we're allowing edits, we're allowing it to be filtered, okay? So I want to change my data entry from no to yes, and then we're going to allow additions. I want to remove the deletions and do not allow them to edit. And I also don't want them to filter the form, be able to filter the form. Okay, I'll do a quick save. And now if I go to Form View, okay, notice I don't see any of the records anymore. I only have record 1 of 1. So all I'm doing is adding a new employee. I'm adding the information. I can't search for other data. I can't edit the data. I can't delete the data. And that is the data entry property of a form.